Hey everyone, what is going on? Out here at this October Autocross at North Park. Chance of rain today, so I think it's scared off some people. And so far, I'm the only one in my class, which is kind of a bummer. There's no other SMF cars, but oh well. The course seems pretty fast. I'm not sure how that'll pan out for me. There's like 2 crossovers, one in the middle of the track, one right before the finish. So they're only going to run 1 car at a time. But yeah. So if any SM cars pop up, I'll film them. But I'll try to get some of the other cool cars. There is a Skyline Midnight Purple here. I want to try to see what that runs. Some other interesting cars I'll try to get on film. So probably just throw all the GoPro clips in this one. And we'll see what happens. Sonic actually run SMF. So this will be my competition. This should be my competition today.
The registration is closed. Then he didn't want to come out, it was supposed to rain. Ralph through with a 29.432, a 29432. No improvement for you there. And James Homer now out on course in 12 Chevy Sonic. James is leading SMF today over to go. I see a course worker running. That usually means something is going to hit. Course worker, be aware, you got a guy coming. Great job. It's going to be a +1 there on James Palmer before he even comes to it. And there he is, James Palmer.
So, got to work the first heat. We're getting 4 runs. A little damp, so see what I can do. It's only me and the Turbo Sonic. So I got some footage watching some of the other cars run. Not sure what I'm gonna set my tires with. I'm not too good at setting up for wet. Haven't had too many wet races, but we'll see how this first heat goes. So got the GoPro mounted, ready to go.
Getting a little twirly out there, but I think he hung on. Alex coming across with 20.
Too low. Mac to cone by the finish. Overall, not too bad.
And Dan Schindler. And that's how you hit a cone. Drifted. Just out there drifting. Dan Schindler's in with a 28.095. I had to delay that call. Another one, second cone.
Right, got a little bit of rain for our second one. So So the Sonic has finished his 4 runs. He has to work next, and his best time is like 28 something. I'm 1.6 seconds behind him, and I have 2 runs to catch up. So let's see if I can get there. It's still a little bit wet, sprinkling off and on, so we'll try it.
Had an issue with his first run. I think I saw him spin or off course or something. But this time, boy, he made up for it. 27.248. I'm guessing the course is drying up a little bit. 27.248. That puts him 1, 2, 3, that's 5th faster. So that's pretty darn good. And I don't hear anything out there, so it must mean the Tesla's out. Didn't see a time for the first run, but so far so good.
Well, we have some nice rain now, so we'll see if they hold up to do the last run that they said they were going to do. But I guess we'll see how it goes. I do not think I'm going to be able to beat the Sonic now that it's raining. Sonic actually left, so if we do get another run, I get an extra run that he didn't take. So and I'm not sure what happened with the Skyline, but it only took 1 run.
Hey everybody. Every car insurance company, every single one of them says you can save money if you switch. Well, if you switch every month, after the end of the year, they probably owe you money. All right, Nick.
And then we'll come up here and we'll break everybody up into 2 groups. Group number 1, which is working, that will be our heat.
So, little drivers meeting. We got 2 more runs because they're going to split everyone in half and do 2 last heats, so everyone has 5 runs total. So I get 2 runs now, and that means the Sonic in my class gets to prep again and take 1 last run. So, see if I can shave off a second in 2 runs. See if my skills are there. Probably not, but I can try.
With a 32. Personal best time. Him in 4th place in SM. Out on course with Jay Geiger. He's our Jay's looking to try to beat 25.6. He does a 25.29.
All right, whenever you're ready, send it.
Hit a cone. Wasn't that fast anyway.
27.402. Yeah, with the onset of DVRs, being able to watch anything that you're watching on television, TV shows, movies, football games, you can just kind of hit a button and go back and look at something again, it kind of sets up your brain to think maybe you could do that in real time. You get used to doing it watching TV. Well, that's why. So here's the time for Ralph. 28.773. 28.773. Left Christopher Lang, 79 Datsun 280 GX. Really interesting car. At the time, kind of controversial. It was made as 280, like bigger and fatter, and but now since Japanese cars are kind of taken off on the nostalgic car market, that's a sought-after car. We had a pretty decent autocross time here, 31.956.
So, did not improve on my last 2 laps, or the extra lap that we got. Still is basically 1.01 second behind the Sonic. I don't know. This was basically the end of life of these tires, and I just probably don't have the skill to get that last second out in the rain. Done very few events in the rain. I think this is only my 3rd one in the rain. So this will be my last event because I need new tires. These ones are down past the wear bar, so there's probably no grip left. And they're the Rivals from 2013. So that's when they were built, was 13, so they're pretty old. And got to figure out a tire for next year. I don't want to set up have to swap tires. I want to be able to drive on them. So probably stick with a 200 tread wear. Maybe go to like an R888, maybe. I don't know. I'll get some people's input because I don't want to be completely useless on the street or if it rains. So do we go to RE71s or whatever? We'll figure it out. But not too bad. Car didn't have any issues besides my driving. So other than that, hope you guys like this little video. And I'll leave a link below to North Hill Sports Car Club, all their times. So, until next time.